Toast the coconut powder in a pan over low heat until golden brown, then turn off the heat and set aside. Beat eggs, sugar, and vanilla with an electric mixer until fluffy. Add milk and vegetable oil and mix well. Combine baking powder and cornstarch with sifted flour, then add to the egg mixture in 2 stages and mix well. Finally, add toasted coconut powder and grated chocolate, and mix until well combined. Grease the cake mold and dust with some flour, then pour the cake batter into it. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. After baking, remove from the mold and let it cool slightly. For the ganache, mix breakfast cream and dark chocolate over a double boiler, then pour over the cake. Enjoy your delicious coconut chocolate cake.